And in terms of the Maxton the splitter, if you're on this video and you're checking it out, and you're thinking of buying the splitter,
and we're back! Welcome to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. My name's Evan, and on today's episode, what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be checking out the Maxton Designs front splitter that's been on the front of my car for the past year or so, giving a little review on that one. And let us know your experiences if you have the Maxton Design front splitter, or if you're thinking about getting it, let us know in the comment section below. So first, on with the clean.
so as you can see, the car is looking awesome. So let me give you some quick shots. Okay guys, so I've gotten two of the screws out from underneath. I'm using a spanner instead of the screwdriver, the electric screwdriver, because that is dead and nobody knows where the charger is, as you would expect. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with this. Let me show you what has been holding on my splitter. So there's about 25 or 20 or so little ones of these. So a little bolt and a little screw, nut and bolt combo here that goes up underneath and holds in my splitter. So a little recommendation for you: do not fucking do this. It takes way too long to put on and way too long to put off. Instead, just use them self-tapping screws. Otherwise it'd be hours doing this job. I'm gonna be fucking ages doing this one. There's a little GoPro shot on there. So yeah, stay tuned for the review just after this of this splitter. See, I have half of it off. It is ropey looking. Look at the fucking state of it. Awful. It off. So right here guys, we have the Maxton Designs front splitter. So Maxton Designs is a UK company, so we ordered it from their Irish retailer. Well, I say we, I mean Lucas got it for me. It was a Christmas present that he got me last Christmas. So yeah, so it's been on the car ever since. I think I put it on 2 days after Christmas. Yeah, 2 days after Christmas. In terms of looks, out of 10, I would give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. The looks of the splitter when it's on the car is probably one of the nicest looking splitters on there for sure. Price, fairly reasonable price, I suppose. Overall, it's not too bad, but when taking it to the quality, so the next one will be quality. The quality I'd go out of 10, probably a 2 or 3. The splitter did not last. Here we have it. So you can see it's split here, and the whole front of it went as well. but it did not last whatsoever. So little story time for you guys. So I had the splitter about a week, and then I decided I wanted to paint the calipers on the 86 yellow, like the aluminum yellow you see here. Oh, you can see some foam from me going out to take the thumbnail. But yeah, so I was out doing that, and the fumes got to me, so I was like, I wasn't comfortable driving the car around. So I asked my dad, hey, would you mind like pulling the car out? Unfortunately, what happened was, when it went out, it scraped on the front of, it scraped on the ramp on the way out and totally broke off. So we 1 week with it and it already broke. Now, it wasn't really his fault. He drove in really slowly and it still happened. It was really unfortunate. It was really, really unfortunate that it happened, but it did. Shit happens, you know what I mean? So we move and it's all good. So closing thoughts on it. So I think the splitter comes in at about 150 to 200. For that price, it's not too bad, but also for that kind of a price, you can look at something more like the TRD front splitter that comes paint matched to your car. So that's probably what I'll be going for next. I think it looks really cool. I've seen it on some of the guys' cars. It looks really sweet, so I think you guys can expect it coming very soon. And in terms of the Maxton the splitter, if you're on this video and you're checking it out, and you're thinking of buying the splitter, is it a trash or a pass? I think it's a pass, guys. I didn't even get a year out of splitter. I feel like for the money, like getting a year out of splitter would be fine, but it was broken and all way before the year mark. Like, it was broken within the week mark. Quality of the plastic is very cheap, not very strong, not very flexible, especially for a splitter, and it makes the car quite low. So I've talked to some of the other guys in the GT86 club here in Ireland, and they say that their cars don't scrape, whereas mine with that splitter was scraping everywhere, even in my local village and stuff. So it was a real pain, and it made driving my car, yeah, I still love my car, but it made it a bit of a pain, because everywhere I went over a ramp, I was kind of squeamish whether or not I was going to scrape, and it was a bit of a pain. Yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. We're trying to build. We've finally hit 100 subscribers, so a big thank you to everybody. We might be doing a giveaway very soon. But yeah, stay tuned for more awesome content on the channel. Lucas is going to the track on Tuesday. Wow, big exciting moment right there. Stay tuned for a video coming very soon on the track. I know you've been waiting for it so long. So make sure to subscribe. Sub, the Monkey Squad.